GRUkey, opening up new worlds. Welcome to Turin and welcome to Shopville Le Gru, a choreo shopping centre. 180 shops, 24 bars and restaurants, and a full range of services, activities and events. Le Gru is the ideal meeting place, a gateway to a huge variety of opportunities. All you need is a key, like GRUkey, an innovative appreciation program that makes life easy and comfortable. Free of charge, full of rewards. GRUkey isn't just another fidelity card, it's a whole new world to discover. Inside and outside Le Gru. It's more than just shopping. It's also a great social experience. So how does it work? Let's follow our friend Lolly. Every time Lolly visits the mall and shops anywhere in the centre, she collects qualifying points on her GRUkey. For frequency, purchases, and the number of shops she visits. As she accumulates all three, her status upgrades from blue to silver, to gold, to black. With the frequency points, she helps children in need. And with purchase points, she gains access to Le Gru's exclusive facilities and services, including a lounge, a personal shopper, and a stylist. Not to mention tickets for shows and museums, sporting and cultural events, travel, beauty treatments, public services, and much more. At the GRUkey corner, the hostesses are always ready to collect receipts and provide assistance. On the touchscreen, Lolly can play interactive games, check her status, or discover ways to use her points. And even when she uses her purchase points for offers or services, her qualifying points and her status keep on rising for 12 months. The Blue Card is the entry-level membership with some spectacular benefits. As she shops, Lolly gets her Silver Card. Now she can relax in the exclusive lounge area, take her kids to the playground, and get mechanical support. Doors are opening with the Gold Card. Even at home, Lolly reads free magazines and newspapers, and when she unexpectedly needs help, Le Gru sends her home care assistance. And back at the mall, there's a reserved cloakroom to drop her coat, and a ready-to-use shopping cart. Point by point to the top, and the Black Card, the gateway to exclusivity. Lolly can park in the reserved VIP area and gets free home delivery. She can choose from a free gym membership, a ski pass subscription, or even a relaxing weekend trip. And Lolly's fidelity to Le Gru is further rewarded with medical and legal assistance for her and her family. Behind GRUkey is the CRP, a customers for relationship platform that makes it all happen. It tracks customers and generates targets, categories, and routines, giving an overview of customers' family status, expenses, shopping frequency, interests, habits, and wishes. This allows us to accurately profile our users and go beyond their expectations. Exclusive benefits, innovative technology, strategic partnerships, social responsibility, interactive gaming, and personal communication. This is GRUkey World. And it communicates with members 24/7. Through hostesses, touchscreens, websites, social networks, games, special applications, text messages, and instant message campaigns. At Le Gru, at home, and anywhere. GRUkey is a never-ending social experience, a magical key to an expanding world.